YouTube, what is going on? It's me, BD Heathay, and we're back here with more Fortnite funny moments from stream. This was from a few days ago. Me and Zach were playing duos, and we recently just got the new lever action shotgun added to Fortnite. And let me just say, it is a really good addition. I like it a lot, and I'm gonna start using it more often in more streams of mine on Twitch. And by the way, because a lot of you guys wondering where I've been streaming from now on, we're streaming on Twitch right now. So go check out the link in the description down below, because I'll be streaming on Twitch more often now. But enough of me talking. Let's get right into the video of me going into duos with the new lever action shotgun and winning the game with a pretty good clip. So stick around till the end of the video. I think you guys are gonna enjoy this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Enjoy the video. I think the place was dead.
The place was dead like season 3.
Dang, you really had to go there, huh? You really had to go that far to say it was dead from season 3. You know, Craggy has feelings too. Just saying. So if you die to a bot, I'm gonna be sad. They are all the way over that hill, dude. They are zooming over that hill, dude.
Come here.
What is it?
I can help you with that. I can help you with that.
Purple bolt? Calling it right now? Oh, that's even better. Well, I mean, kinda. I don't know. I kind of like the bolts better still.
Nah.
Yes. Dude, purple bolts are overpowered.
Yes, I know. I don't like the rifle.
Dude, come on. I think I just used every gun I had except... No, I just used every gun I had. I used all 4. I choked a hunting rifle shot. I hit 2 shots with an AR, 12 with a shotgun, and once with SMG. Like, that is, like, karma. That's finest. I don't know, it's like, I like scoped weapons better, because, like, I can't even explain it. I think it's just the flick of the scoped weapons that makes it nicer. I don't know. Picking that up instantaneously. Now that is shotgun damage. That's shotgun damage.
Ew.
Exactly, that's what I said myself. I was like, oh. Like, why?
It'll be like every freaking Fortnite community say, "Oh my god, is that a golden freaking level action shotgun?"
Dude, honestly, dude, I would love that, dude. Like, does that exist yet or no? I wasn't sure if they actually added in a gold one or not.
I think that exists.
Because I wasn't sure if they went up to the gold or not. Because I know they went up to I know they went up to blue, green, and gray, of course. But I wasn't sure if they went up to gold or not yet.
I think there's a gold one.
I knew it was an option, so.
I'm not sure though.
I don't think my YouTube channel knows I stream over here yet. I honestly don't. Like, potentially speaking, I could switch back, but that requires me to do a lot more work, and I don't really want to do that right now anyways, so it's fine. I was just told this is the superior streaming network and that I should stay here, so.
That was clean. Did you miss that?
I did miss it, sorry.
That was like
Did you just parallel park this thing?
I just parallel parked this.
Oh my god. Well, I didn't blow up the gas station instead, you know, that was the other option, the outcome of that. The other outcome was that you drifted into the gas tank and blew the entire gas station up with me in it. Now you did. Ugh. You can't like, I can't hear that, dude. Like, I heard that from a mile away.
Yep.
So where do you think our bounty chasers are?
I don't know.
Because they could be, they could be in, yeah, probably. I'm just thinking, like, I guess, though, because, I don't know, like, what do you think the chances are that they have a sniper, if not Mando sniper, and are just tracking our every position right now? There's a, genuinely speaking, high chance of that. Like, is the bar still at the first one for you, or no?
Yep.
Okay, I was just checking. What'd I just say? What did I just say?
Chat.
But where is it though? Coming from though? I didn't even see where it came from.
I know.
Oh, below us, right here, below, right here.
What?
This is a different team.
I thought it came from this side.
Where did you think it came from?
I thought Mano Sniper came from like you. Yeah. Oh, right there. I think it's one guy. You got the shit. I just got hit.
Yes, he is. I hit like nothing more, dude. Dude, I got 9 bullets off my sniper and I'm out. You focus that guy, I'm gonna focus the team below us, okay? That's exactly why.
Stupid tree.
Broke one shield. I think this is our bounty. How's your guy looking?
He's still shooting at me. He still has been a sniper. I don't want to get hit again. Ooh, that was good. He's just waiting for me to peek. So damn annoying.
Is he still up there? Where is he?
He's just waiting for me to peek.
Dude, we have another team on us right now. I'm knocking you, kid. You're trash. You're dead. You kill that Mando yet? Used to find him.
No, he's still behind the barriers. Be careful. He's on the stairs.
Might need help over here. I don't know.
He's literally just waiting for me to peek. Fucking sorry,
dude. Just get absolutely demolished, kid.
I'm coming over to you. I really don't want to.
You do that. I have tons of loot over here, like loot galore.
Okay.
I guess that's not myself, dude. I thought you were watching him still. It's my bad. I'm getting just laser from above down, dude. Do they have mechits here? I'm holding it. Oh, I dropped my shotgun. My bad. You good?
Yep, I'm good. I'm right next to you.
Alright.
All test times.
Don't break too much here, just to let you know. Where is it? Where is he up there? Do you know?
He's still on the hill.
But where at? I can't see him. I see him now. He's gonna camp that hill like an asshole, dude. Honestly, let's just start moving. Like, watch the hill, but just keep moving towards zone, dude.
Yep.
Honestly, I'm popping a pop rock. Get the hell out of here. If he starts to build down, let me know. If you want it.
Are you sure?
Like, do you want it or do you want me to take it? I don't care either way.
Take it.
Right side, what the hell?
I think he's on the right side.
How do you gotta get so far so quick? Move me, move me, move me.
Yep.
Rifted, I don't know where. Above us, above us, above us, above us. Knocked him out of the air.
Hit at 40? Damn. That just hurts.
It's a bad day.
Yo, I think that... Are they fighting? Yeah.
That guy's dead. Him for 58. It's a solo and a duo somewhere, dude. Where'd the Mano sniper go? I don't know where he went.
There's the 2 solos.
Very well could be. I have no idea. We killed the one guy.
Yeah, the other dude's behind the stairs. I think it is. Yeah, I think it is 2 solos. Damn, that just
Good
hurts.
shit, good shit, good shit.
Yeah, I figured.
That guy for 58, cracked him. So you knock him out, I'm gonna focus this wall.
I'll go in with my shockwave burrows.
I wouldn't, I just... He's
We
running
could
out
just
of...
hold.
We can, yeah, we're half height. 32.
Yeah. Or I could shockwave him out if you want me to.
You could if you wanted to. I don't care either way. Whatever you feel like doing.
Just wait.
Cracked. 35 twice.
Okay.
Do we bounce pad down to avoid falling from wall damage or no? Dude. I don't know where he is exactly. I know he's somewhere down there though. He has to be.
Edits don't help you. Edits do not help you, sir.
Help.
Dude, that was close.
Number 35 again. 35 again. Broke shield. White on white on white. $41. He's super weak. Oh yeah, baby.
Get down here, jump down. Ah, forget it. Whatever. Heck yeah.
That felt good.
So W's in chat.
W's in chat. Let's get it going. That felt good. How many kills you got?
2.
I got 7.